Hi, this is JB Starkey from AssessLinkPE. I'm here today to show you about one of our new features, which is the editing and adjusting the timeline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I have a student selected, and I'm going to open up a new capture session, which is part of our standard procedure. And in this session, I'm going to use the overhand throw skill test. All right, I'm going to have my student here go ahead, I'm going to hit record and have them throw the ball and hit stop. And the algorithm will decide where those phases should be placed throughout that movement. So here we have ball release, which is not quite right, follow through, and then another follow through. So obviously we have a little error here. And this may happen, especially if you're recording multiple students and you don't go to check to make sure everything's perfect. We might have mistakes like this. The good news is you can go back and change them well after you take the capture from that initial test. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the edit button, which is this pencil symbol in the corner. And my first error is that this should be the stride position somewhere in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says the stride end. And when I re-click in another place on the timeline, it's going to drop that marker down there. So now what I can do is go ahead and hit the check mark to save that edit. And if I click on our second time marker here after ready position, we have the stride end. So that's a one way to correct it. So then I have arm cock and follow through. Well, that's not quite right. Follow through should be much later in the, like around this range. So I'll hit that edit button again, click, drag over, go ahead and click save, click the check mark, and now my follow through position is here at the end.